Welcome to ISPC Safety Meeting Topics. Today we're going to talk a little bit about heat stress and just what is heat stress when the body is unable to actually cool itself by sweating. What we'll talk about today is heat rash, heat cramps, heat exhaustion, and the almost fatal and mostly severe heat stroke. Heat-related injuries and illnesses are considered a hazard to power line construction and maintenance workers. These types of hazards are often ignored until a worker is injured and becomes ill from the heat-induced hazards. Consequently, the possibility of the heat-induced hazards should be discussed during the pre-job briefing. And many times what we do during that pre-job briefing is mention heat stress and then not think about it anymore when the job goes on. So we need to be more prepared.